What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this shoe review today, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. And guys, I'm trying to get this channel to that 20,000 subscriber mark. I would greatly appreciate it if you shared this video if you like it. Alright, this video is pretty impromptu. I didn't think I would get this shoe in hand, but this shoe is brought to you by the guys at Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for apparel and shoes from Nike, Adidas, the Hundreds, or just want to talk up your shoe game in the full service bar in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com. So what we are pulling out of the box today, this guy has recently jumped on the Adidas bandwagon. He's already released a shoe with Adidas. This is the second iteration in celebration for the upcoming Easter holiday. So without further ado, this is what we are looking at. And mind you, this is a pretty heavy box. All right, here we go. Baboni. I don't know, however he says it. So yes, this is the collaborative effort between Adidas and Bad Bunny. It's a pretty cool box. It is pretty heavy. Like I said, the cardboard is pretty stiff. I have a tear on it, but I don't care because this is my pair. Now, if you don't know who Bad Bunny is, I don't know what rock you're sleeping under. Bad Bunny is legit. He's the man, or whatever gender he wants to label himself, because he's iconic. He has the blessings from Daddy Yankee and other Puerto Rican musical talents. He hails from Puerto Rico. Dude is crazy. So without further ado, let's actually open this box. Yeah, so my box has that tear right there. Again, I really don't care. Man, this is legit stuff, dude. So he's had a collaboration with Adidas before with the Forums. He released some brown ones. These are supposed to be the pink ones. Inside the box, we have these pink tongues right here, and they have the snapbacks right there. It's pretty cool. It has some striping going on. You have the eye at the top. We have some sets of Adidas laces. We have a green set and a blue set. We have this bag right here, and this contains the shoes. I'm trying to put this box down. And you have the trefoil Adidas logo with the Bad Bunny logo right there. Let's open this bag. Got the hand in the bag, pulling out the shoe. We have the left pair right here, and I must say, I really do like this shoe. The pictures do not do the shoe justice. I love that there are a lot of materials being used on this shoe. I think these are better than the brown ones that released a couple weeks ago, which was a collaborative effort again between Adidas and Bad Bunny. Also loving that Adidas is bringing back the Forum 84 models. It's been gone for a while, but I love how they're working with a bunch of sneaker boutiques like Politics, like Bodega. And I have the Friends and Family Politics one, and they're legit. They're heavy, whatever. Let's get back to this shoe. This looks good in hand. So they're using like rubberized TPU. They're using sway panels. They're using leather. It's just a legit shoe. You have the nylon strapping with the buckle that's in black. Metal buckle. It's a metal buckle. Pretty cool stuff. All right, I'm kind of confused because we have these tongues right here, but we also have two tongues on the inside of the shoe, or on the shoe already. And like these ones have straps, these ones don't. I guess I need to see some pictures to see how to properly take it to another level. So these shoes retailed at the price point of $150 USD. Add your taxes and your VAT just based on where you reside. Now looking at the resale market right now, StockX, Goat, SneakerCon, these are hitting anywhere between $800 and $1,200. Again, just dependent dependent on the size that you need. The brown ones, they're hitting a little bit lower than these pink ones, but this shoe is more wearable than the brown ones, I would think. I didn't do a write-up or any research on the shoe because I knew this shoe was going to be unobtainable. I'm going to be in Seattle from tomorrow until Sunday, so it'd be hard for me to line up anywhere to try to cop this shoe. I just didn't think I would have it in hand, and I'm thankful for Kicking It for letting me have this pair early to review for this video. Taking a look at the upper of the shoe, the lateral and the medial sides of the shoe are identical. We have this peak and this wraparound right here, which are done up in a rubberized TPU that is featured in a light pink color. Then we have like this pigskin color that is wrapping around in a suede material. 3-stripe branding in that rose color that matches the ankle strap to the heel counter area. Pretty cool stuff. And the lacing striping, we have some more pink that is done up in a smooth leather. Behind those 3-stripe branding is some pink, very, very faint pink leather. I love the collar and how it protrudes away from the shoe. It is heavily stuffed and the outside is of a satin material done up in a white or light pinkish color. And I've never seen this done on the shoe. It just makes the shoe stand out a lot more from like the other forum releases. The heel features a pink pull cord with a black tab so you can tighten the shoe up a bit. The default set of laces that we are provided are of a pink variant with gray specks going on. They're of a flat shape and I believe a poly blend. Now behind those sets of laces are the two tongues that we were talking about earlier. I pulled off the tongues and this is what it looks like. You have one with a lace lock right here and the Adidas trefoil in black. You have these ones. You have one where it's smooth in a quilted pattern and then one that is heavily strapped, and both of them have woven eyes at the top. Providing some extra styling, we have this pink nylon ankle strap that is outfitted with these black buckles on both sides that are done up in metal. So you just click it like this and locks it in place. And these are adjustable with the Velcro strip right here that you can pull off. Yo Visto Así, embroidered under the strap, is the song title by Bad Bunny, and it translates, I dress this way, or this is how I dress. The inside is heavily padded on the lateral, the medial, especially at the heel of the shoe. This kind of looks like a tongue. I like this a lot. This finish is done up in like a peach color leather, and the inside is like a cotton build. Removing the insole, this is what we are getting. We are getting that trefoil in black and the Bad Bunny logo right here at the heel, and this is done on like a faux leather that's done up in pink and placed on a thin piece of white foam. So there's not a lot of cushioning to be had in this forum shoe. Definitely if you need some arch supports, you need some pronation blocks, definitely get something from the Third Market. I have a link in the description box below. The midsole of the shoe is done up in this like translucent pink color. Looks pretty good. You have the Adidas branding right here that is raised, and then as you go to the other side, it has like this foam meshing going on. Pretty cool. Now we get to the outsole of the shoe, and this is done in a blown rubber component to enable flexibility and durability. So you look at the markings of the system, you have some circles going around with the Adidas trefoil going on. You have the Bad Bunny logo right here behind that translucent circle. Bad Bunny is actually done up in black, and then you have more Adidas branding right here in this smooth portion that has some ridges vertically. In terms of sizing, normally I work at a size 8.5 or a 9 US, 8.5 being my true to size. Now in forums, they fit true to size for me. I usually have a little bit of space from the top of my toe to the top of the toe box. In terms of comfortability, they are pretty heavy out of the box. They're pretty bulky, so if you like Air Force Ones, you'll probably like this shoe. And they don't offer a lot in terms of like technology. Like there's no boost in this shoe. There's no like added pre. It's just straight up rubber and foam. So definitely consider a third-party insole if you want to wear these and need that pronation block or support. Overall, I really do love this collaborative effort between Adidas and Bad Bunny. I think it's a pretty cool one. I think these are a lot better than the brown ones that previously released at the $150 price point. I think they're worth it if you can get your hands on it. Resale is kind of crazy to me. Bad Bunny, he's definitely a household name, but I never like attributed his name to getting like high resale prices. That's just crazy to me. I love how they use a lot of different materials on the shoe, the suede, the leather, the TPU rubber, and I also love how they made this Forum 84 Bad Bunny's style. Like this looks totally different from all the Forum 84s that were released previously. It's just a dope shoe. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about this collaborative effort between Adidas and Baboni? Is this a good one? A bad one? Do you like the pink ones over the brown ones? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the _ at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. And guys, let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya and we will check you next time. Cheers. Sige na.